ready to dive into the world of qualitative research, QDA software, and cutting-edge AI-driven technology? If so, you've come to the right place, whether you're a seasoned researcher or just a beginner. This channel is here to guide you every step of the way. As you might have heard, and there's a lot of discussion, of course, at the moment, the future of qualitative data analysis here. And we at Qualitative are forging the path. Our channel is your gateway to understanding how AI can revolutionize qualitative research. Just imagine if you could harness the power of AI to expedite your analysis and enhance your research capabilities. It is not just a dream, it's the future, and we are building it together. I've been experimenting with AI tools in the past months, and I will continue to do so. With a growing library of videos exploring AI-driven methodologies and tools, we are paving the way for the next generation of qualitative researchers. And in addition, on this channel, you will also find videos on the traditional software packages for qualitative data analysis like MaxQDA, ATLAS, and Qualitative. And the videos are not just about the mouse clicks. I'm a seasoned expert with 30 years of experience in qualitative methodology. My videos go beyond the surface and explore the details of qualitative data analysis. I believe that understanding the why and how is as important as mastering the software itself. Get ready to uncover the secrets to get tips and tricks of project setup, how to build a code system, how to analyze data, and more. On the channel, you will find a playlist, The Journey of Qualitative Data Analysis, that takes you through the entire process of computer-assisted qualitative data analysis with MaxQDA, ATLAS, and Qualitative. I also think that the videos covering the methodological aspects of that process are also useful for those using other packages. You can use the videos in the playlist alongside your project. So start with the one on project setup and then continue watching it as you move on with your analysis. If you're a lecturer or professor at a university teaching course in qualitative methodology, this is also a great resource for your students. You probably only have a lecture or so to introduce a software package to your students. The playlist or the videos in the playlist will take your students step by step through the process of computer-aided qualitative data analysis. So feel free to add the link to the playlist to your course material. But that's not all. If you have data to analyze, you need to collect them first. If you want to learn more about interviewing and qualitative research, my collection of videos are a treasure trove of do's and don'ts and expert tips. So, whether you are a qualitative analysis enthusiast, a teacher, a research student, an eager mind who wants to explore the interaction between data and human insights, join our vibrant community of learners and hit that subscribe button. Let's unlock the full potential of your research together. Subscribe now and never miss a moment of qualitative brilliance.